Welcome back to Cassidys Craveable Creations. I'm Cassidy. I have a really special treat for you today. We're making a classic layered keto red velvet cake. This red velvet cake has a secret ingredient that makes it extra soft and velvety. It has hints of vanilla and cocoa powder, and then it's covered in a delicious cream cheese frosting. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is line your baking pan with parchment paper, because if you don't line it with parchment paper, it's likely to stick and run. So I just place the pan on top of the parchment paper, make a circle with it with a marker or pin, then I just cut it out, put it in the middle, and then grease everything really well with oil and set it aside. Next, we'll just whisk together all the dry ingredients in a large bowl. We have blanched almond flour, coconut flour, just a little bit of cocoa powder. We have baking soda and baking powder, and a little bit of sea salt. So we'll just whisk this together and set it aside. Now for the wet ingredients, we're going to start by creaming together some room temperature butter along with some xylitol. And the xylitol is the secret ingredient that makes this cake so soft and velvety and tender. Or you can also use a monk fruit allulose blend to get that soft and velvety texture. You can use an erythritol-based sweetener, but it won't be quite as soft and delicate. Then you'll blend this until it's nice and creamy for 3 to 5 minutes. Keto sweeteners take a little longer to incorporate, so just keep blending until it's creamy and combined. Now we'll beat in 6 room temperature eggs one at a time. After the eggs are combined, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla, a little bit of non-dairy milk. Regular milk has a lot more carbs, that's why I like to use unsweetened non-dairy milk, along with some vinegar or apple cider vinegar. And the almond milk along with the vinegar is just our homemade buttermilk mixture, and you can't taste the vinegar at all. It just makes the cake extra soft and tender. Now we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of red food coloring. And if you're using a gel food coloring, you'll only need 1 to 2 teaspoons. And you can use natural food coloring as well, but it just won't have that real deep red color. It'll be more like a light pink. Now that the wet ingredients are done, all we're going to do is slowly beat in the dry ingredients until everything is well combined. The batter may seem a little lumpy, but don't worry, this is totally normal. Then we'll evenly divide the batter between our 2 9-inch lined and oiled prepared pans. Just smooth out the tops and then hit it firmly against the countertop a few times to get out all the air bubbles. Now we'll bake the cakes at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean and the top seam set. And once they're done baking, we'll want to let them slightly cool, and then very carefully, because the cakes will be very delicate, transfer them to a cooling rack to cool completely. And then carefully wrap them in plastic wrap once they're cool and place them in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours or overnight so the cakes can firm up enough to frost. While the cakes are cooling in the fridge, we'll make the delicious cream cheese frosting. We're going to add some softened butter to a large bowl along with some softened cream cheese. And it's really important that the cream cheese and the butter are softened for the frosting to have the right texture. You should be able to just barely push your finger in it and it make an indentation. And we're going to beat this until it's nice and fluffy. Now we're going to add some keto powdered sweetener. I like to use a monk fruit allulose blend, but any kind that you like is fine. and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. Now I'll just mix this together. Now it should be super light and fluffy with a really good texture, but if it's just a little bit thick, you can add a tiny bit of non-dairy milk. So now we're going to use this delicious cream cheese frosting to ice the cakes. And if you'd like to see my tutorial on how to frost a cake for beginners, I will have a link up here over my shoulder and down below. And this frosting recipe is enough to do the crumb coat of a 2-layer 9-inch cake. If you need more frosting, you probably need to double the recipe. Now that our cake is frosted and I put some little rosettes around the edges and some strawberries just to be extra pretty, I am so excited to cut into this. So we'll just cut into it here, put it on a plate. Oh wow, look how soft and velvety that texture looks. Let's take a bite. Oh my goodness, this is so good, you guys. The cake has hints of cocoa and vanilla. It's really, really soft and tender. And the cream cheese frosting is delicious and creamy and smooth. I really want you guys to make this. Please, if you make it, let me know what you think in the comments below. And to see more recipes like this, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.